This now have nothing to do with Queenie. This is not Queenie. This now have nothing to do with Queenie. This is that general conversation. See? So, when some of them people reach a foreign, them look and them say foreign hard. Because you know why them are going to say foreign hard? Because them buck up on the real foreign now. Now them have to go buy them one things. Because what's this? When you reach anywhere at all, you know, you're fresh. Them are going to carry you go shopping. Them are going to carry you go say, this is the Eiffel Tower. This is Times Square. This is downtown Yonge Street in Canada. You know, and the whole of the nice something them. But after the honeymoon stage done now, you have your social. When you get your social now, a time now for you to find yourself a job. Now, most of you people who go foreign, enough people start working in a restaurant by washing plate. See? Washing plate. While you hear some man say, oh, you think me I go foreign go wash no plate? You think nobody will come see me I wash no plate? This is where you go wrong. You not worry about what people think too much, and anytime you live for what people have to say, anytime you listen to what people have to say, that's how you mash up in a life. Because remember, you're gone in a country now when nobody gives you a tomato. You will say Jamaica easier, you know, because you can beg Merkel a tomato. You can beg Miss Gwen piece of scallion. You can beg little meat seasoning over any yard. But when you're there foreign, a buzzer. Remember when you go somewhere and press the buzzer, when you press your buzzer, if them not open it, you're not going in. You're not going in. So enough people not adjust to that. You understand? Because you know where I come from. Everybody I come from somewhere, and everybody grow up in a Pilas grill. Somewhere we are bored. You understand? One little ass and stable where you buy one little piece of lock and say, lock my door. And anybody can just go say use them and lick off the door. You understand? So we move. Remember say, you know, changes in life, you know. A changes in life we reach, you know. So we move from ass and staple, board house, and gone in a nice structure, buzzing, elevator, we are going up on the 13th and the 15th floor. You understand? And that's how we're going to now. So the adjust what you have to do now, you have to stop and sit down and you're looking at yourself and say, listen me have an aim. Because enough of you go foreign and don't have no aim. One aim somehow have and forget rich quick. And that's how I want to see people things and teach people things and I want to get deported back, right back at which part when they go to jail. Because when your eye red, when your eye shine. When your eye too shine for people things, you got teeth because you got say foreign hard. When you go somewhere and see all your paycheck and you see how much hunger some take out of it. You see how much tax you got say, there's so much money them take out of my pay. Star, you better go back to Jamaica. You never did a work at Jamaica. You did a work even a cash in and work at Jamaica. A cash in and work you did a do, you know. So, you know want to adjust. See? Adjust, you have to adjust. Seize the opportunity and the moment to build yourself. And then again, if you are a woman there foreign, you have to come together and make one. You have to help her now because she help you come in America, help you come in the States, help you come in Canada, help you come in anywhere. She alone been a do it for herself. It's a reason why she bring you up. She bring you up for you and her joining together. You are come from a pit toilet. Right? Where you don't worry about flushing toilet. Now you're gone in one place where you have to pay the water. You come from a place where you used to touch up the light on one piece of something. And 900 of one upon it, your TV can't be show good. You have, if you don't mind job, your TV get lick. Who feels it, knows it. So when you go to the and come from there, you're supposed to say, JPS, I forgot know me now, you know. Because I change the environment, I do this, I do that, more and better for my kids, and more and better for this and more. Enough people, everybody knows say, when you go foreign, foreign is not a bed of rose. Foreign is never a bed of rose. You don't have coal stove in foreign. Nobody have coal stove in their house. Because once you go somewhere and the smoke start, the smoke alarm will go off because that's in everybody's house. Automatically. Right? The smoke alarm is going to go off so you cannot have no smoke in the house. So all of them things that you have to adjust to. When the time I get chilly, you have your light jacket. When the time I get cold, you have your winter jacket. When it freeze, you have your scarf and gloves. You understand? Your immune system have it good when it touch winter. Because you can't say, you're not going to work, you know, when rain fall in Jamaica, we say, yo, rain fall on the road block, you know, we can't go out there. That not happening and no farmer wear foreign. Them a water boot, timberland boot, every type of snow boot. You understand? Then now you have to start to talk about your credit. You have to keep your credit pan a level. Because if you don't pay your phone bill pan time, a bad credit that. If you don't pay your bills them pan time, a bad credit. That's how you keep your credit score pan a level. Enough people don't understand this. So enough for the people them we have sent for people, when you go through the system and know the system work, you have to teach them. You have to teach them. You have to sit down and teach them and make them understand. See? You have to sit down with them and reason them and say, listen me. Don't bad them up, you know, because some of we have ego. And you say we ego, mash we up enough time. Me know enough woman where send for man, and when them send for man, through them know say the man used to fuck pan them at Jamaica and go on with him thing. As the man reach, just say, you think you can go on like when you're there at Jamaica? You think you can do this? And you threaten the man with police, or you threaten him and say this, and yo, lock him up in a house. And once you start treat him like a boy, he might find way to take away himself. So you again have to understand, don't bring him go on with a Jamaica in a foreign. You have to remember, saying they're a different country now. Him can't just get up and go wonder way like when he used to go down a Rima, and him used to go to Tivoli, and him used to left and go to St. Mary, and him left and go to Balaclava, and he say, Ray, and him say, remember me, I'm a big man. You have to always remember, if you're there with a man, don't forget say him is a man. Don't ever forget say you're there with a man. You don't there with your son. Don't ever treat your man like your son. Treat your man like a man. Because everybody have a breaking point. Alright. Me hear somebody say something about Queenie. See? Me I touch upon the Queenie topic here. Little bit. See? Me I touch upon the Queenie topic here. Little bit. Listen me good. Queenie love dowey. See? Queenie love dowey. Queenie clingy. Because Queenie never in a relationship for how long. See? Queenie no in a relationship for how long. Now Queenie asleep in her bed by herself. How long? Now this boy a come to England now. Queenie I got one there everywhere. Him want go someplace by himself because when him there at Jamaica him say, yo, crazy, me soon come. See? And she say, alright. Later she gone run her friend round the road. Right? And him gonna go do film thing. Now them they together in a one household. Once him missing for too long, she gonna say, how we do it there? When my husband there? My husband, when me they can't remember now, you know, she gets so attached to him now, you know. That's every move when make, she come like a she him skin. But him no used to that yet. Him no used to that yet, you know. So that is a big problem in the relationship now, you know. Because him want him space, if him in the toilet or shit, Queenie want in the toilet or shit. At first, him like it, but him realize say, him not have no space. Him just feel like him might get covered. Him just feel like he might get covered because remember, you know, when time she there, you know, I remember say, Queenie are gonna make we know. Joe Plum, my Joe Plum, and video and rare, everything and she and him. He might eat piece of bula. Come Joe Plum, eat piece. But sometimes he might eat a bula by himself. See in scatter? Sometimes he might eat a bula by himself. But Queenie, no know how to leave him alone now, you know. Queen no know how to give him space now, you know. And that's why she eat a bad arse now, you know. Because guess what? Him and her in the same country now. And she not see him 2 days now. And Queenie are mad. See? 2 days now, Queenie not see him, you know. And Queenie are mad. Because them in the same country, him having close them in the same house. Remember say, she would have done her mother, even when them vex, and him would have up a female. Now him there in a fear waters. See? So, may I listen to Queenie live, you know. See? May I listen to Queenie live. And Queenie says she not done. But Queenie, you know, say I love you everything. Because he's a woman where I see a journey and I see a transition. Enough thing you stop though. And you try to clean up your thing and make your thing look good. So, enough time you try to use your pass the beat. You try to step out of that part there. You understand? But me have to tell you this. Do we want him space more time? See? Do we want him space? You don't want to give him no space or you don't think him need space because you say him in the house and 8 or 9 or him not say nothing to you and you get upset and want to war him. Because you want him to talk to you. But you have to give him space. You give him time when he's ready to talk, him going to talk. And you not give him no chance for just relax and then come say, listen me queen. Me not like this, me not like that, me not like Craig. Because guess what? Me say when you don't get things your way, a war. And you talk it, you know, me can't say. If you not say, you talk it. See? Because when I go to Bama look by the life today, I'm going to go to Bama, I say, Marky, I try to explain to you. I see you start get aggressive. And me I say, me, I go up and Queenie life, you know. Because Queenie go cuss me. And I can't do no cussing. See? I not go take no cussing, so I go just listen and come off. See? Because sometimes people need them space. Man need them space, woman need them space. And that's why I say the rich people them have the vex room. And them going to the vex room. See? So Dewey is a man where people are talking about the man a user. I don't think the man a user. You scatter say that I think our personality too strong to live with 24/7. And that is right because all the queen work, you know, remember, everybody know. Everybody knows say the queen. Somebody said a husband don't go running. But you have to remember, him have to train to be a husband. Remember everything this is something we new, you know. Him have to train to be a husband. Regardless of how you and a man married, you have to remember say the man need him space. See? And then one of the biggest issue where Queenie have, when me hear Queenie have. Queenie has same involved in mother and everything. That's one of the biggest war where Queenie now gonna get over. Because if you have to force him to choose, him now gonna choose you. Wife or no wife. Remember this, you know, I said this enough time. A whole heap of people ready for our wedding, but it's not everybody prepared for a marriage. Anybody can have the big splash wedding, but the marriage is a serious thing. I want to think about that. You hear me say? I want to think about that. The wedding, anybody can do the wedding, but not everybody can do the marriage. The marriage come with whole heap of responsibilities. You understand? It come with a whole heap. See? And I can tell you this. I'm in business with them relationship, but and every man have to live down that walk there. She said him lick her and she lick him. It's like an eye canteen or something. And we never know this until war broke out. We never know this until war broke out. We never know this until war broke out. But every man have to live down that walk there. And all of the women with them will laugh and say she should have do this. Just because she make him come to England. Just because. Because right now, it's like a half and half a go on. A whole heap of people sympathize with Dewey because of the cocoa. Because now the things that she say, she have forced him to talk and him no want to talk. And him say he want to go about him visit and she block the door and him no want to come out. And then him call him mother and him mother send taxi. And him mother is like, it won't sound like say Dewey is a boy when Dewey is a big man. See? So basically what them say Queenie controlling. See? So it's like Queenie have to just do some soul searching. And when she do some soul searching, she have to just understand. Yes, she love her, she love art. And she love things her way. Him have to love her in a some way. See? I remember again Mel's. If him never want him mother involved, him only involve him mother. So when you now cuss, and I say him mother too involved, remember him want him mother involved. You understand? And how long now do we come up? How long now him come up? And a long time him reach. Him not settling in England yet. Him still homesick. Him still a miss him yard. Him still a miss this corner vibes on the tree. Him still a not on the tree in there England. Scatter say she may love him, but I think she still needs to understand that positive behavior does not keep a man. Possessive behavior don't keep a man. Alright. Want to hear that again. Because all I know, I got cuss and I say the man ungrateful. Remember, me not take no side. Me just a watch and I say when me see. I don't want to feel like say me a pick no side because me can't pick side with man or woman. See? Because all we are here say the baby mother said this and the baby mother said that. Remember say if him, I want to listen to this good. Just listen to that part of what me I going to say right now. You see that story there where the baby mother say him can't see him youth. Remember say if the baby mother want the youth go to England, the baby mother will send the youth to England. Right? And if him go to Bama and him can't maintain the child, him now can't get the picnic if him can't go to court. Because remember say, all the law work now, you can file for anything now. See? So, that baby is something where we must say, boy, the baby mother said this and that. The youth are grow. And I just said that one thing that boy, them a hold on pan. Him just use that to get away. Him want some space. See? Him want some space. Somebody said denial is a mental disorder. She have to let him get a job as he came in the country. And that's where she went wrong. He needs to be independent. That is the next thing again. That is the next thing again. That is the next thing again. All of the man them, I'm going to tell you now again. Anytime you go in any country at all, you have to prepare to put on your foot real quick. And when I say put on your foot, you have to get a job. That means you have an income. See? I saw a man be a man. Because most youth where they are Jamaica used to a woman and mind them, you know. Take care of them, send them clothes and belt, you know. All kind of things, you know. See? And no marriage not perfect. No marriage not perfect. He want to do him own thing. So when I sit down and have hear them. So the man not forget no space. So when you expect a man to get space, you know what woman want there around the man 24/7. You have to give the man him space. You have to give the man him space. You have to give the man him space. Give the man him space. And that's why someone not found a man here to you know. No man at all. No care how him love him woman. No care how him love him woman. He want him space.